and that is what I did, or that is what I do. Light skinned girl, I don't know how to put this in English. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite girl Anastasia, and I am back with another video. And in today's video I'm going to share with you guys every single product that I use on my skin. A lot of you have been asking me what I use on my skin, how I attain my present complexion, and that is what this video is going to be about today. Before we dive right into this video, if you have been watching me, girl or boy, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video. I'm going to start out with the first question. I get this question a lot. How were you able to attain your present complexion? I was born a light-skinned child, or a light-skinned girl. I don't know how to put this in English, but I have always been light-skinned. My mom is light-skinned, my dad is light-skinned, and all my siblings are all light-skinned. I've been getting a lot of questions as to what I use on my body right now, or what I have used in the past, and how I am glowing right now. And I'm going to tell you guys every single thing, okay? Last year, January up to August, I wasn't doing any skincare. I wasn't moisturizing my skin. I wasn't exfoliating my skin. I was just living my life. I was just indoors. I wasn't taking care of my skin at all, and I got really dark. I went into skincare in August. I got body scrubs. I got body creams. I was using all those things on my body, and the first cream I used last year was the Purec Egyptian Secret Gold lotion. This was the lotion that I used. I started out with this lotion. This was what I used last year, August and September. This was what I used. I used this lotion. This lotion actually made me start my YouTube channel, because honestly it was so good I had to make a video. And those of you guys that know me know that me talking about this cream was my first YouTube video. After this bottle finished, I couldn't find another bottle, so I decided to make my research, and I started using oils. I went into oils. Okay, I started using sunflower oil. This is sunflower oil, and I mixed it with Moroccan Argan oil. Okay, this was the next thing I used after I stopped using the Purec, because I couldn't find it. So I went to start using sunflower oil mixed with Moroccan Argan oil. I mixed these two oils together. I think I took about 200 ml of this sunflower oil, and then I added the whole bottle of Moroccan Argan oil. I added the whole bottle of Moroccan Argan oil into 200 ml of sunflower oil. You can see I've used my sunflower oil up to this point, and I mixed the two together, and that was what I was using on my skin. I used it, like I said, from the end of September to April. I used this, and it was very good. In the video where I talked about body maintenance lotion, I made mention that I was going to use this lotion for 1 month, and I'm going to come back and give you guys my review. I started using this lotion in June, and I stopped using it the first week of July. So I'm here to give you guys my review on it. Okay, so what I did was to take the whole, because this bottle is empty, I took the whole bottle of lemon fresh lotion. I poured it into a mixing bowl, and then I added half a bottle of almond oil into the lotion, and I mixed it all up together. And then I added sorry guys, I added about 5 drops of this vitamin C serum. I don't know if you guys can see, but I added 5 drops of this vitamin C serum into it, and I mixed it all up together, and I was using it on my skin for 1 month. Lemon fresh is not something that I would go and buy normally, so I used it for 1 month, and it didn't in any way cause me any stretch mark. It didn't cause me any knuckles. It was good on my skin. So if you are looking for something to maintain your complexion, you can actually use lemon fresh lotion, and you can mix it with almond oil, and then you can add your vitamin C into it, mix it all up together, and start using it on your skin. But there's one thing I want to say, is that you need to get the original of this lemon fresh lotion. I don't know if I got the original, honestly. I just went to Blanco supermarket and I picked it up, and I was really praying that it was not going to destroy my skin, and I'm lucky that it didn't destroy my skin. so I don't know how to identify the fake one. If you know how to identify the fake one, please leave a comment on this video so that we all can learn. Okay, I mixed it all up and I put it in this container. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after mixing it. Okay, so this is the color of the lotion. The color is light pinkish. It is light pinkish, and it is light pinkish because of the vitamin C serum. Okay, it is light pinkish in color. So what I do normally when I'm using this lotion is that after I come out of the shower, I make sure that my body is still moist, and then I use this lotion on my body. Before I made this video, I already took my shower, so I put the lotion on my hands, and then I apply it on my skin. Okay, I apply it on my moist skin. So that is all I do every single day. I use this lotion morning and night. Most mornings, I don't use it most mornings because it usually makes me sweat, but I try my best to use it morning and night. The time that I don't use it in the morning, I make sure I use it at night. Okay, so the lotion is very good, and it is very moisturizing. Rub it all over your body, and that is what I did, or that is what I do, or that is what I did. And most times I lock in the moisture with extra almond oil, because I added almond oil into the lotion, but sometimes I add more almond oil on top of my skin. And the reason why I used almond oil is because I don't know if this cream is going to cause me reaction, so I just had to add almond oil to be safe. I know some people usually add tube creams to their lotion as an anti-reaction tube, something like that. I don't add tube creams to my lotion because most tube creams contain steroid, so I don't add tube creams to my lotion at all. I would rather add almond oil, sunflower oil, or coconut oil in my lotion to help me in case of reaction. Okay, take some part of the almond oil. Oh my god, this thing is hard to open. Okay, I take some part of the almond oil again. I put it on my palm, and then I apply it on top of the lotion. Okay, I apply it on top of the lotion. You can see my tie is shiny. The reason why I suggest you mix it with almond oil or sunflower oil is that in case this lotion has is going to affect your skin, it is better you add almond oil or sunflower oil, so that whatever ingredient that is going to be in the lotion that is going to react on your skin, the almond oil or the sunflower oil will help to dissolve those ingredients. That is what I believe. I don't know if I'm correct, but that is what I do, and it always works for me, because some people tend to add anti-reaction tubes to their lotions to be safe so that they won't have reactions. But I don't believe in adding tube creams into your lotions, because tube creams can actually cause you stretch mark and green veins and all that stuff. So I prefer adding natural things like almond oil, sunflower oil, or coconut oil. Okay, I'm not saying that you should go and buy lemon fresh and use lemon fresh. I'm just saying I used the lemon fresh and it wasn't bad on my skin. It was nice on my skin, and it didn't cause me any reaction at all. Some of you guys actually think that my skin is perfect and whatnot. My skin is not in any way perfect at all. My arms are way darker than my body. My arms are way darker than my body, but I don't really bother about it because I know that is how it has always been since when I was a kid. So I don't really bother about it. I just exfoliate my body, do my best, and I leave the rest. Because some of you guys don't have a uniform complexion, but you stress yourself, you bother about it a lot, you get fast whitening creams, and then you end up damaging your skin. Okay, so if you have noticed that a particular part of your skin always get darker, try your best to exfoliate and just use a good moisturizer, and maybe one day it is going to like blend with your body. It's going to blend with your natural color. But don't go around using so many lightening things that will end up destroying your skin. I want to say a little thing about Olebact. Some of you guys have been asking me in my DMs if you can use Olebact for your child. I forgot to mention it in the video where I talked about Olebact. I would not advise you to use Olebact on your child, because this is a treatment tube, and treatment tubes are not meant to be used on babies. You can't use Olebact on your baby, please. Olebact is used to treat skin conditions, okay? So if you have not gotten Olebact, please get Olebact, because it helps a lot in treating balls, you know, but it is not meant to be used for a long period because it is a treatment tube. I'm going to be giving I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Olebact pretty soon on my channel. Please stay tuned so you won't miss the giveaway on Olebact. Okay, I think I've talked about everything I want to talk about. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then,